you'll be looking for some juicy passing chord, this video is for you.
Sweet Jesus, sweet Jesus.
Let's check out this clip.
How wonderful you are.
Nice.
You are brighter than the morning star.
Wait, just wait.
Lord, you are fairer, oh, fairer than the lily that grows by the way. You are precious, more precious than gold.
Jesus.
Sweet Jesus, sweet Jesus.
So that's it for today. So that's it. I played in that video. That was like 1 month ago. So the first thing I did was in the key of G. So Jesus, Jesus, how wonderful. Then I just up like this. You are brighter. Then I did this chord. Morning star. Then I went to Thor. You are fairer, oh fairer than the living that goes by the way. 2 major. You are precious, oh precious and gold. Jesus. So let's explain all those stuff. So the first thing is sweet Jesus. Sweet Jesus, people usually go to the 2. Jesus, how wonderful you are. You are brighter. So I did sweet Jesus. I mean, I'm doing this one now, but I didn't do this in the video. But I'm just doing it now. Sweet Jesus, how wonderful you are. You are wiser than the morning star. You are fairer. So instead of going to the 1 chord, you can replace the 1 chord with a flat 7. And then you can do something like this. Morning star. You are fairer. So more fairer than the living similar that goes by the way. You are precious, 2 chord or fa. More precious than gold. So one of my videos ago, I talked about how you can replace your 2 chord, your 4 chord with a 2 major. So amazing grace, how sweet. So you can try that. Amazing grace, how sweet the sound. So yeah, so anytime you're going to a 1 chord, you can replace your 1 chord with a flat 7, then 4, and then anytime you're going to a 4 chord, you can replace it with a 2 major. Then so yeah, that's it for today. I'm gonna be going in depth into this song in my next video. You guys check it out.